Another question relating to travel and fast. What's the minimum distance of travel during which are exempted from fasting?
This is the same answer as for Salah. What is the distance considered for a traveler so that he can do qasar in his Salah, shorten his Salah? It's the same for fasting. To the difference of opinion, but the majority of the scholars, they say it is 16 farsak. Each farsak is for 3 miles. So it is more than 48 miles if a person travels. Or if a person travels more than 80 kilometers, he is considered as a traveler. But some scholars say it's 83, some say 84 kilometers. So to be on the safe side, more than 80 kilometers, more than 84 kilometers, a person is considered as a traveler. But the basic thing is, he should not be in his own hometown. There are some cities which are very large, and the distance from one end of the city to the other end can be more than 84 kilometers. Then he's not considered as a traveler. He should be in a foreign city.